Oh.
I call it.
Oh, Mazie! Hey, wait a second. That ride looks kind of like a...
Right. Okay. No one specific. That's good.
We'll call Dr. Phil later, but right now I need some help!
I feel like a fluffy monstrosity. More funky little
Hey, hello.
The Duke's got some moves.
I mean, I'm a dog. I can't believe they don't hate me.
Yeah, that looks fine. Oh, that's it.
There's no reason we can't say it.
Come on, we're out of here. Hey, buddy, we're talking. It's the dog park, man. It's like, you said I have really pretty. Tell the hipster giant I'm not interested in his peace offering.
I'd be able to disconnect them and shut this thing down!
Let's go.
If I can get up to those wires...
It's really romantic there at night. Okay. If it were me, I'd want him to take me to the junkyard.
Hey, don't knock it till you've sniffed it.
Now talk!
Sit over here and act like we're dirt.
What's up with these guys?
Okay, I was a rescue dog. Nobody wanted me.
That was a sweet setup.
Yeah, that looks fine.
So you can thank me for saving your life.
Oh, brother.
Here goes nothing!
He gets that way because he's a jerk. Here's the deal. Girls want romance. Listen up, Barcanova.
Thinking. No, not good, not good.
On pourrait peut-être passer aux choses sérieuses et me dire ce que je fais ici.
Do something, I'm slipping!